This is the official unveiling of Postori for ED Blawe chapter vehicle. Yes, vachinamatira nyika. Nyika inonamatirwa nevene vayo. Postori for ED. Nyika ilizwe likhulekelwa ngabanikazi balo. Nyika inonamatirwa nevene vayo.
So my question is that do these people really know God, or do these people really believe in God? Because if they do, they must shun corruption. They must speak out against corruption. They must speak against injustices, the raping of young girls in churches and shrines, the raping of women on shrines, the raping of women in government departments and offices, the killing of opposition activists. They must speak against all those things. They must speak against the incarceration of innocent people like Honorable Job Sikala and Nyatsime 17. They must speak against whatever which is happening, the violence which is being perpetrated by ZANU-PF itself, because that should be the true position of God. God is there to protect his people, not to defend tyranny. So I believe that these people who call themselves Apostoli for ED, they are not genuine Apostoli who are there to pray for the nation of Zimbabwe, but they are there for their time. They are there for benefits, because the leaders of these organizations, they benefit through various forms of shenanigans. It's either they are being paid by the system, or when they evade taxes, when they commit crimes, they are protected by the regime itself. So you would see the people who are benefiting, they are there to create confusion and to create all sorts of chakadaro for EDs, but they are not for God. They are not for the people. They are not for this country, Zimbabwe. I pray that Zimbabwe realizes that these people are not for them, and let us continue to register to vote. Let us vote in our numbers. Postori, if you are out there, please make sure that you vote out these people. Don't let your names be tarnished by these people